Did you know? Just staying up late at night can silently destroy your brain health. In this video, we'll uncover how your sleep cycle might be the hidden cause of your anxiety and low energy. Sleep isn't just rest, it's repair. When you lose sleep, your brain loses balance. Mental clarity, emotions, memory, everything gets blurry. Let's dive into how sleep patterns silently shape your mental health. Your brain runs on a natural 24-hour cycle called the circadian rhythm. Disrupting it by sleeping too late or irregularly throws your hormones and brain signals off track, leading to stress, irritability, and mood swings. Studies from Warwick University reveal that night owls are 3 times more likely to suffer from anxiety, depression, and substance abuse. The reason? Late sleep disrupts brain regions responsible for emotional control. Lack of sleep reduces serotonin and dopamine, the very chemicals that regulate mood and motivation. You may feel unmotivated, angry, or even hopeless, and not realize sleep is the root cause. Think of missed sleep like unpaid bills. Sleep debt builds up. Over time, this debt lowers your focus, decision-making skills, and emotional strength. It's a slow mental decline that most people ignore. Late-night scrolling, binge-watching, or night shifts confuse your brain. Chronic sleep disruption has been linked to bipolar disorder, OCD, and even hallucinations in long-term cases. 1. Sleep and wake up at the same time daily. 2. Avoid screens after 9 p.m. 3. Drink warm chamomile tea or turmeric milk. 4. Use calm music or a meditation app. 5. Write your next day's to-do list before bed to clear your mind. A business owner overcame anxiety just by fixing sleep. A student boosted exam scores by ditching late-night gaming. These stories prove you fix sleep, you fix life. What's your sleep pattern like? Share in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and tap the bell icon to stay updated with powerful Health Heal videos every week. Your brain isn't wired for sleep neglect. The longer you ignore it, the deeper the damage. But with small daily changes, you can break the cycle and build a mind that's strong, stable, and energized.